Hey, hi friends. So today we are gonna learn how to make templates for RC planes. Here I'm using Fusion 360, and once we open the Fusion, we select the insert option and select the image that we want to trace out, scale it accordingly, and once you get the right scale of the image, so if you see the line in the center, I mean I've added a reference line in the middle of the image. Based on that, I scale the image, and after that, here if you see, to trace out the two similar opposite copies of a image, split it into two pieces. So trace it out from the middle. The middle line always needs to be a line and not the curves. So the first option is the line. Now the second option that I am currently using are the basically the arcs and curves. So once you select the center line, then start tracing the other parts using the curves, and once you trace out all the curves, and after you trace one section of the image, you'll basically get it highlighted. If you doesn't get it as highlighted, then the points might have missed. joining together, you'll have to make sure that the perimeter or the lines that you've joined are connected with each other. Just zoom in onto the each point and make sure that the points are interconnected, and select all this at once. And then you can select the mirror option in the create section. If you see, the third option is basically the mirror option, the triangles. And once you select that, select the entire thing, then the target point select as the middle line, and once you select it, it will get replicated. And once you do that, you basically press T and select the middle line twice so that it will be deleted and you'll get the entire complete picture. Similarly, once this is done, you can trace out the other section of the plane as well. And here I am adding a small rectangle where I'll need to put the pusher prop and the motor, and based on that I'll have to design the body. So first I design this rectangle, and later based on that I'll stretch the body a bit so that it would accommodate the uh, space required for putting the fan and the motor. Here there is, as there is nothing to be mirrored, we can just directly choose the arcs, lines, and we trace it out. And here, if you can see, the both of these are completely filled. I mean, all the lines are interconnected, so we will get it as a full closed perimeter object. It will get highlighted in blue when you select it. And just unhide the canvas. And what you can do is select both the sketches. Basically, pull like, draw like a rectangle over the two objects. Select both of them completely. Control C, and then create a new sketch and Control V. Then you will have a, now these two sketches are individual. Now we can't export them individually. I mean, we can do that, but uh, I want to export it as a single object for laser cutting. So I'll copy both of those, create a new sketch, paste it over there. That becomes a single sketch. Then we go to utilities. There, if you see, there will be a triangle option for exporting, export to origin basically. Select that, and once you select that, you will have options, select single sketch or entire sketch or something. Then select entire sketch, and on the left side of the fusion you can see the sketch names, right? Now, uh, you select the name of the sketch where we have pasted the two objects, right? Control C and Control V, you give that object a particular name like final, uh, laser cutting template something. And when you go to this utilities and select entire sketch, you select that particular file and export it as an SVG. Make sure the file format is SVG. And once you export the file in svg format, go to inkscape app. There, import the file and export it as dxf. That's it. Thank you for watching.